which was inside, we have to take it out and we have to place it over this edges inside, so that water leakage problem would not be there. After that, we have to remove the plastic cover of the um spun filter, and we have to put it inside simply, easily, and then we have to just we have to wrap it, just rotate it tightly. We have given this spanner to give a proper tightening effect, so we can tighten this properly. We can hold it with the other hand and we can tighten the base properly, so that water leakage problem will not be there. And other thing, we have to see that here in means the water supply will come in, and this out means it will go towards the filter. That the water inlet pipe has to be fitted like this, and uh, the water supply will come from like this. When we'll turn the knob on, the water should come. So this is the direct tap line which we have taken. So we can, this will go into the inlet of the pre-filter. So now we will plug this into the inlet. We will fit it inside over here. Just we have to press it, then press it properly so that it fits properly. See that it will go fit inside properly, and this same we have to do. Other side we have to put a new pipe. Similarly, in the out direction we have to firmly insert it properly so that it gets locked inside. We will come to know that it has been locked inside properly. So now this pipe will go towards our filter's inlet. We have supplied you with this tap, which will be applying it over here. So first what we have to do is first thing we'll do is take this place it on this side. So first thing we have to do, we'll have to put the tap over here. So it is simple. Just we have to unscrew it, and there are two washers given. First washer we will remove. One washer will be inside. First after that we'll put the other washer over here on the inside properly. That washer helps to avoid leakage problems. Just we have to tighten the nut. As you can see that we have tightened the nut properly, and the tap is adjusted properly. two mounting brackets given over here, so we can drill properly according to the distance, and we can measure the distance and make two drills on the wall, and two drills will be for this filter. It will be better if you keep it on the right side, because anyhow this line coming from here, we have to put it in. It goes into the water inlet option that is in the top. It's again a press fit type of setting. Just we have to press it and it gets locked. So now the water will come from the tap. It will be filtered from this before in this filter, and then it will go into the filter. And after the all filtration process, clean water will be deposited in this lower tank, and drain water will require another pipe. We'll have to apply another pipe that will go into here into the drain. Yeah, another piece of pipe will be attached over here, that will go into this water will go into your wash basin as a drain water. You can cut it as per your requirement. You can also cut this pipe as per your requirement. For demonstration purpose, I am not showing that. And you have to plug it, this 3-pin socket, into a 3-pin power plug. So the most important thing is that you can keep this machine on. It will sense automatically the water level, and it will get on, and whenever this is reached, maximum level of water is reached, it will shut itself automatically. But whenever you are going outside for a few days, or if you are going out of state, out of your place, you can shut this machine off. At both the time, you have to shut this power supply also, and the water cock also, so that you can avoid any problems in your absence. And after installation, you will have to drain at least the 2 times the water. You should not start drinking the water immediately. You should drain the entire bucket 2 times, so that the entire the racing of all these filters happen. All the chemicals inside that are clean, because as the new filters as they are disinfected with some chemicals to avoid bacteria infection. So it is better to drain 2 times the entire water that has been collected. After that, you can start drinking water properly. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. After everything has been completed, please do not forget to screw the base, because if you do not screw it, sometimes the top may come off. So better uh, you should use a screwdriver, and make sure that the base is tightened properly. From the both sides, we have to do the same thing, from this side also and from other side also. Whenever you want to clean up the tank, you'll have to just unscrew these two screws, and just lift the top, and you can wash your tank anytime. It is suggested that you can wash your tank once in a month. Depends on your usage. If your usage is less, you will have to wash it more frequently. If you are going outside, you are keeping the water in tank and not consuming it, then you will have to wash it more frequently. Other thing is that very important, uh, you will have to take care that this water in and water out, you have to check it out properly, that you should not put this water inlet into the water out inlet, because this is a one way pipeline, means water cannot go return through the back side, so it may cause the pipes to get come out of their locks, or it may cause damage to the filter also. So you'll have to keep it in mind that water coming from the filter, the primary filter, should go into the water in, it should not go into the water out. And similarly the drain pipe has to be connected into the water out, which will go into your wash basin sink.